It's time to reflect, review, and plan for the next month. As much as we can possibly plan in this constantly changing year. Sometimes I feel nothing is happening, and yet I have to constantly keep changing my plan to adapt. It's a weird dichotomy. Welcome back to my writing studio. If you're new here, hi, I'm Puja. I'm an indie author and welcome to my writing studio. On this channel, I talk about writing, self-publishing, and productivity. If that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon and make sure it's turned on to all so that you don't miss when my videos go up. I have a lot of catching up to do this month. In July, I set a goal to post one video a day for an entire month. And I completely underestimated the time I would have to give to make sure I don't fail at it. And that meant putting other tasks aside, mainly my writing. I feel I've covered up the gap to some extent this month, but I am still not where I should have been. Realistically, I know this will spill over into October. If you don't know, I am working on a novel, The Rajput, and my goal for this quarter is to finish drafting. I'm not too upset about this change. I am in a good flow, and if I need to give myself another month, I will do it. I'm budgeting more time for writing this month, which means reassessing other projects and moving things around. And I love that my current planning system makes everything so easy. I cannot believe we are nearing the last quarter of 2020. There have been some recent events in my life that have a direct impact on my plans for publishing my next book. I am still trying to figure out if I can publish my novel The Rajput next year. But I don't want to get into that right now. I'm scheduling in an entire week in September when I will look at the current publishing timeline I have and what I can realistically do, and then make changes. And because I'm doing this scheduling in time, it helps me feel less anxious. In the past, I would have felt anxious, jumped into this, and in the end, I would have not worked on actually writing the novel, nor would have worked on a decent publishing plan. So scheduling time like this has really helped me make most of my time without having that heavy feeling. Also, since I'll anyway be spending time in September to work on my goals for the next 90 days, it makes better sense to club these things together. I'm also testing a project planning tool to plan and manage my publishing plan, so I want to spend some time on that. if it works out for me, then I'll share more about it with you. What goals are you working on this month? Let me know in the comments below. If you need a writing buddy, click on this video, or if you have any questions on self-publishing, watch this playlist. And I'll see you in the next one.